What's up, y'all? This is a tutorial because I forgot that I used to post tutorials and one hit 1,000 views, but all of that's outdated, so I put it as like, please stop asking me for the same tutorial. All you gotta do is just do that, but just get your recent versions. It was a growth type video, but I'm gonna stop saying some random things. So this tutorial is how to get VRChat working again. I mean, it works for most people, but I'm gonna show you exactly what happens in a second. This. So basically, it's a VRChat application error saying all this with this code right here. This usually happens when you click OK or if you exit out that, or just close your game possibly. So I'm gonna give you 3 ways, and the last way will guarantee fix it, because the other ways might not, but it will for some of y'all. So the first way, you go to your settings, right? And after that, you go to your Windows, check for updates, right? Most of the time, your update will be like a GPU update. Most of the time, it's like 80%, 90% of the time an antivirus. And I got well, I got 4, but it's I'm teaching y'all, okay? But the third way, you probably don't have to do it, but like it's only for useful. All right, after you're up to date and you have your everything up, try to go to optional updates just in case that was step 1, all right? Or that was uh I don't know, way 1, like how you can do it. All right, number 2, this is another way how you can do it. You basically just have your Steam right yourself, right? Right click, properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode, Windows 8, and run this program as an administrator. That's it. If that doesn't work, here's the third way, because I know everyone, including me myself, has been like hacking and all that on others. So you kind of just want to go here, make sure all this on. Make sure these have these. I have it off good now because I don't need it. Because the last way will guarantee detect your VRChat. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all one last time on what it's doing just to make sure that y'all can believe me. After this, y'all can comment. Y'all can comment if y'all want to. If what doesn't work, and I'll try to find another way for y'all. Okay, so see, this doesn't work right here. I'm going to show y'all a whole other way. So first, go to your settings, your manage, browse look of. Hold on, I forgot I had 5 ways. I'm sorry, y'all. I just keep forgetting other ways. Damn. You guys go to right here, or no? You kind of go to properties, right? Install files, and click verify. It would like help like recover some of your files, right? Alright, that's it. And okay, here's the last way. I'm not gonna lie to you this time. Settings, manage, browse local files, and just kind of just open VRChat from here. It's gonna say this right here, because if y'all modded before, but don't worry, because it's still gonna open either way. You just gotta give it a second. There you go, y'all. That's it's gonna say this, right? It says you are offline and all that. If you have internet but saying that, don't even worry. Just click OK and you'll still be the game, but you won't be in the world you usually join like this. It's gonna be saying, try doing all this. It's gonna happen all the time if you open VRChat the way I did. And yeah, all your friends. I'm about to join my friend in a second. And yeah, talk to y'all later. Our puzzle's like tomorrow. Okay, guys, I looked at the video, and then after this, the last step I did, I found out that it wouldn't actually let you join your friends at all. Ignore that, please. I found out it was just not gonna let you join your friends, so this is the better way on how to fix it. You just wanna, you just wanna go back to. Yo, it's good.
Yeah, where's your left controller?
One control right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
This one that's broken?
No.
Oh.
I never said it was broken.
Your left one?
No, I said I don't have my left one.
Where's the left one at?
Easton.
This is the right one?
Mm-hmm. That's for the right
So
hand.
where's the left one?